You don't have to walk sideways. Put your foot down.
Oreo, get out of the way.
That's a good girl.
Molly, come here. Come on. Molly, come here. Come
Why
here.
is she walking sideways? Come on, Molly. Come on.
Come on. You can put your leg down. It's okay. Put your leg down. That's a good girl.
Why don't you give her a
It's
treat?
okay. You want a treat? Come here. You want a treat? Come here, Molly. Last one. You want a treat?
I've been breaking them in half.
Good girl, Molly.
Cookie, you already had yours.
All right, let's try Oreo.
Yeah, I'm sure this is going to go
Molly, come here. Molly, make a sprint for it. Come on.
Okay, Oreo. Come here.
She's not too excited.
Okay.